Hey everyone, welcome back to day 11 of my 30 days 30 fashion tools challenge. Today we are going futuristic with jewelry design using Brilliant Crypto, a platform where you can design high-end 3D jewelry pieces and even join global design competitions. This part is all about the creative concept and building the piece. For this design, I wanted to explore how the human body and technology can merge to create something futuristic yet deeply cultural. My inspiration came from Seven of Nine in Star Trek, a character known for her metallic facial implants, symbolizing the fusion of human and machine. But instead of keeping it purely sci fi, I gave it an Indian twist. I looked at traditional Indian silver jewelry, especially intricate earrings and face ornaments. What would our cultural identity look if reinterpreted through the lens of the future? I built a moodboard with silver textures, cybernetic face references, and Indian ornaments. Once the theme was clear, I started with a few hand sketches and digital illustrations. You can use Procreate, Illustrator, Photoshop wherever you are comfortable to rough out the idea before going 3D. Then I moved into Brilliant Crypto. This platform lets you design detailed 3D jewelry without needing CAD skills. Here's how. Download and open Brilliant Crypto on your PC. Skip the mining part. Head straight to the jewelry workshop. Choose the type of jewelry you want to design. Neck piece, ring, earrings, or the bracelet. I chose earrings for this project. Inside the interface, you can pick your metallic finish, choose stones and cuts, explore connectors. These help link different stones and create custom shapes, edges, sizes, and placements to build your structure. I started with a circular center stone, added connectors, layered smaller stones around it, and slowly built this cyber Indian hybrid design. The platform is 3D, so you can rotate, zoom, and check every angle, making sure the pieces feel wearable but futuristic. This design is for the Halloween jewelry design competition happening on Brilliant Crypto by Glitch and the Jewelry Workshop. You can join in and experiment too. It's a fun way to explore jewelry concepts without needing traditional 3D modeling skills. And that's part 1 of day 11. From moodboard to futuristic jewelry design using Brilliant Crypto. Tomorrow, we'll take this piece further, adding motion, animation, and cinematic storytelling. If you are into jewelry design or just love seeing heritage meets tech, this is such an exciting platform to explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you wear jewelry that blends cultural tradition with futuristic tech?